Great. So now let's go to cell A1 again, and let's say we want to include, or rather, insert a new column. And what we want to do is we want to say, for instance, maybe add a sub product. Well, we got a category already. Let's add a new column between column D and E, and we're going to add the region, a sales representative in region. So now what I can do is I can select cell column D, and then from the home tab in the sales group I can go to the drop down of the insert menu, and I can actually insert cells, I can insert sheet columns, and I insert a sheet. So let's select insert sheet columns, and you can see that it does it to the left. So let's go Control Z and always select column E, go insert there again, and let's go and insert sheet columns. Let's maybe add this as region, and then for the region let's just call this region 1, region 2, region 3, region 4, and then what we're simply going to do is we're just going to copy and paste this. Copy, paste, 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 paste. You don't every single time have to copy it, because the moment you copied it, see how that moving box is around there? It stays active, and only once I press escape does it stop, and then I can no longer paste it. Alright, now we can also go and we can insert columns differently. Let's select column F again, and then use a keyboard shortcut Control plus. Can you see there that it adds the column? We go Control plus twice more, it adds 2 more columns. We can even go with Control minus, Control minus, Control minus to delete columns. Same thing is with rows. We can even right click on the menu on column F, click on insert, and it adds the column for us. Let's go to select row 5. We can go Control plus, Control plus, Control plus. It will always be to the top. Control minus, Control minus, Control minus, Control plus, Control minus. We can also go and we can go right click. We can go insert. It adds it. Right click and delete as well. Same with our columns. Right click, insert, alternative right click, delete. What we could also do is we could select row 5 again, go to insert, and we can go insert sheet rows. Can you see there? We drop down to that, insert sheet rows, select both of these rows even, and we can even delete it. Same with our columns. We can select 3 columns, go right click and insert, and it will add 3 columns, same amount it was selected. So inserting columns and inserting rows is something that you'll use in Excel quite a lot, especially if you're taking a file and you want to develop a file, or maybe your manager or somebody has asked you to add, like we did in our example, a region. Maybe there was a couple of new entries that is after the fact that you need to add into the report, and instead of redoing everything, you just insert a couple of rows, take the information, either type it in, or you can even then go and paste in the information.